Hi there, you're in the lab with me, JJ. Today is electronics project day. Today we're going to do an electronics project. My silly job title for today is What Wizard. Today I'm the What Wizard. The electronics project we'll be doing today is a very humble one. My favorite, making a cable. In fact, we'll be making 6 cables today. We're going to take these banana plug cables, which have got a banana plug on each end, and we're going to cut them in half, and then we're going to attach some hook clips, which are these little grippy things that you squeeze out and hook in, so that we'll end up having 6 hook clips, 2 of 3 different colors. So that's all we'll be doing. It'll be a bit of chopping, a bit of soldering, a bit of heat shrinking. My new hot air gun hasn't arrived, so I don't have a hot air gun on the bench at the moment, but I think I do have a hot air gun floating around, like a little cheapo flimsy one, so maybe we'll give that a bit of a go. But yeah, just a humble electronics project today. We're going to make some cables. Shouldn't take long. Let's pop over to the bench and get it done. All right, so here we are on the bench. This is our collection of cables. There's 1, 2, 3 of them, and then there's matching colors. Oh, okay. These are matching colors hook clips, which I mentioned earlier. And I was talking about the hot air gun. I've got this hot air thing, which is made for heat shrink. But I realized, in fact, we're not going to need it because we're not going to heat shrink the end of these. It just simply runs in through the hole, and that's that. So this is going to be a pretty simple job. We'll fire up the old soldering iron, and then we'll cut the things together. Let's do that together, and then I'll just put it in fast forward, and I'll put these things together, and we'll be done. So I suppose there's no reason to not just get straight into it on fast forward. I'll get these done with you now, and then we'll do the first one, and we'll take a minute to take stock of our situation, and then we'll do the other 2. Shall we do yellow first? Why not? It's the one we've got at the moment. So it'll be a little bit of wire stripping, a little bit of soldering. Could be good. All right, here we go. Fast forward. All right, well, that was tricky, but I think we got there in the end. It kind of doesn't feel super secure, but I don't know. Maybe that's good enough. I don't know. Seems to work well enough. So let's see if we can do a better job the second time around. I think we're getting better at it. All right, well, that's 2 done. I think it worked pretty well. I don't know if you can see that. It's a bit stuck. Super stuck. Yeah, it's pretty good. We'll test them all at the end. So I'm just going to do the next 4 now quickly. All right, so we've got 3 sets of tables. Let's put our meter in continuity mode. Continuity mode, beep, beep, beep. There he is. All right, well, we'll test each color. Let's try these two. It's a bit stuck, this one. That's annoying. I don't know why it's stuck. There it goes, kind of. All right. Yep, that's working. And let's do blue. That's working. Great. And let's do yellow. That's working. Great. So there we go. I've got 6 banana plug to hook clip cables. These will come in handy. I'll file them away. They're going to live here. I've got this drawer. It's labeled banana hook clip, and it's also just banana extensions. So things that you can plug onto a banana cable, like this insulation piercing adapter. Anyway, this is where my banana hook clips will live. So that's good stuff. Put them away. And now I'll throw over the farewell cam to wrap up. And that's a wrap. So just a humble little cable making exercise today. It's good to have those banana plug to hook clip cables in the drawer, so when I need to use them when I'm doing experiments in the future, they'll be available. That's the end of this video. Thanks very much for watching, and please remember to hit like and subscribe.